This is Candace here, and I'm coming to you today with unboxing. Y'all already know the vibes when y'all see this. What's going on here? Nobody got time. Got my knife. So, they did my Sinai hospital from when I used to live in New York. Um, uh, they started like watching me from being pregnant and running tests on me, and now they keep on with the baby, so they put a watch on her to monitor her breathing. And for me participating, they gave me a $50 Amazon card, but they took the watch, and my 4-year-old was so upset that they took the watch. So I used the $50 and I bought all of them watches. So this is for her and Cora. Isn't this cute? This is for my 7-year-old. And this one is for Noah. Let me take it out the packaging so you can see it. This is so cute. They're gonna be so happy. Please go sit. Thank you. Please go sit. She's minding my business. Yeah, she heard me say watch. This one is for Noah. It's like kind of Spider-Man. You see the web? You see the digital watch. He'll like that. These are waterproof. So that's for him. Y'all get the gist of it, right? These are for the girls. And then this is for my 7-year-old. I kind of feel like she's 7 and they're like 2 and 4. She wanted something different from them. These are shields for the tablet, like screen protectors, because my mom was like, why don't they have a screen protector? And she was like, oh my God. So just for that, for the reason of her being on my back, that's why I bought one. I smell something, like something spilled or something. It can't be this. Because look at this in here. That is bundle. So this is actually feminine wash. I bought it from Tasha K. I watched her channel and she had this up there for months. So I was like, let me just buy it and see. It's from EmbracePangea.com, and it's a feminine wash. It's like a natural one. I'll read out the ingredients. They got this thing wrapped for you. So I had bought it on a subscription, but I ended up canceling the subscription because $26, like, okay. So ingredients is distilled water, it's soap nuts, it's honeysuckle extract, it's Q-zinc extract, it's cork tree extract, it's coconut, vegetable glycerin, menthol, lactic acid, oil, rice bran extract, and corn extract, and palm oil. So I love that you can pronounce all of the ingredients, and I love that it yoni wash crafted with rose essential oils and honeysuckle extract, pH balance for the queen in you. Not a douche. It's just a feminine wash. So I like it. I like the way I feel when I bought this, and I bought a deodorant from them last time, and I like how fresh it makes me feel when I get out the shower. So I use this in the shower, but I like how fresh I feel when I'm out the shower. So I made a vision board. So when y'all see the images behind me, they're from my vision board. They're gonna be pictures that I manifest on and everything. So when it all comes to fruition, when it comes, I'm gonna show y'all my vision board. Look, this is what I had. This is what I was manifesting. This is what the positivity got me. Yeah. This is what I've been waiting for. This is what I have, guys. This is a tripod holder. This is the reason why I can't, why I haven't been shooting videos and all of that. I've just been like shooting mukbangs. Is that it? Yeah, I've been shooting mukbangs because all of my tripods broke. It's so crazy. So I got this one. This one you can bend on stuff. It can stand. See, it can stand. It comes with a phone holder on top. And it comes with a remote, so I can just be like, boop, boop. Hey y'all, hey. Stop, or I can just record. I can take some pictures of myself. So yeah, that's why I bought this. Happy about that. It says, hi, want to extend the protection warranty to lifetime and become a Ubi size premium member for regular giveaway activities? Just register your product on our website, www.ubis.com. I will be doing that. I think, yeah. Whatever was in here leaked out because it smells like it. That sucks. I wonder what it is. It spilled out. Oh no! This was my thing. Oh my goodness. This was the box is all soggy. I don't even need anything to open the box up. These were my air fresheners, my room fresheners. Oh man. My Mrs. Myers. These two are fine. This one is empty. I'm gonna have to call them. I will be calling them. So, why? You see, that wasn't screwed on there. Why wouldn't they screw it on there? So, I love these because they don't just hit the floor when you spray them. Let me see. Look. They stay in the air. It's not like regular aerosol. It's like oil based. I love Mrs. Myers, anything. But yeah. It leaked through. And look at the box. You see it? Like right here, it leaked through. I'm gonna try to clean while I go. Okay, so that concludes my unboxing. Thanks for watching. Bye.